Host. Welcome back to the channel. Name is Car Gears Sana. Today, we're diving into a rare and fascinating classic, the Volvo Valp 1968. This car embodies Swedish engineering from the late 1960s, combining durability with timeless design. We'll explore its exterior, interior, performance, and finally, wrap up with our verdict. Let's get started. Exterior. Host. Starting with the exterior, the Volvo Valp 1968 maintains a traditional boxy yet elegant design, a signature of the brand's safety-first philosophy. The chrome-accented front grille, round headlights, and clean lines give it a distinguished look. The body is solid, built with high-quality steel, ensuring durability even decades late. The wheels are fitted with period-correct steel rims and chrome hubcaps, complementing the vintage aesthetic. The rear boasts a simple but functional design, with rectangular taillights and a sturdy bumper for added protection. Host. Moving inside, the interior of the Volvo Valp 1968 is a perfect mix of minimalism and functionality. The seats are upholstered in premium leather or fabric, depending on the trim. The dashboard features an easy-to-read speedometer, an analog clock, and classic wooden paneling for a touch of elegance. Volvo was ahead of its time with ergonomic placement of controls, ensuring that everything is within reach. While modern conveniences like touchscreens were non-existent, the charm of manually operated windows and a classic radio add to the nostalgia. Performance. Host. Under the hood, the Volvo Valp 1968 is powered by a 2.0L inline-4 engine, producing around 100 horsepower, modest by today's standards but impressive for its time. The 4-speed manual transmission delivers a raw and engaging driving experience. Driving this car feels solid and stable, thanks to its well-engineered suspension. While it's not a speed demon, it offers a smooth ride, ideal for long-distance cruising. And let's not forget Volvo's reputation for safety. This car was built with reinforced crumple zones and seat belts, a rarity in the 1960s. Host. So, what's the final verdict on the Volvo Valp 1968? Well, if you're a fan of classic cars that prioritize safety, durability, and timeless design, this is definitely a collector's dream. It's not the fastest, nor the flashiest, but it remains an iconic symbol of Volvo's engineering prowess. What do you think of the Volvo Valp 1968? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more classic car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next vid.